Just a little micro project today. I'm going to put a locking handle on my Chevy tailgate. This is Bolt brand. I bought it on eBay for probably about 60 bucks, pretty cheap. To get the handle off, there's three 13mm bolts. And on the other side, the plastic bezel just pops off. So the locking mechanism is connected to the handle via two rods, and each rod is connected actually by those little plastic clips, the white and the blue. So the new handle contains the bezel and then the locking mechanism. This was the first time I've done this, so I did have to read the instructions, but as you can see, it's all pretty straightforward. The way this lock works is the tumbler changes the position of the gate on the left, and that disconnects the handle from the locking mechanism. To remove the old handle, those plastic clips just clip off the rods, and the rods pull out pretty easily. To install the new handle, the rods are clipped into the plastic clips, and the three bolts are hand threaded in. The new bezel is now clipped in, and here you have to make sure that the locking mechanism fits into the gate. And the three bolts are tightened to 18 foot-pounds. Click, click, click. A nice feature of this lock is that it automatically programs itself into your existing key. And to program it, you just insert it, turn it, and that's basically it. So this lock is now programmed to my regular ignition and door key, and it works well. So overall, this was a very fast, very easy install, and although it's not a high security system, it does add at least some element of security. Thanks for watching.